ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் சொல்லு.
ஹாய் गाइस.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் சொன்னதாண்டி.
Solar system: Sun, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I'm Kirti. I'm female baby. 8 exam. I'm food. I'm healthy food. It is not good for health. Ha! If we talk like I am Muhammad Hassan. I am studying UKG section. Young food. Avoid young food. Eat banana. Help us run and to play. This is orange. Orange help us save from getting sick. This is great.
Good.
Good morning, boy. My name is Krishna. Magical words. Please, when you are asking something la la la, it's a golden bird make us happy. La, la,
Action. Say.
Please, when you are asking something la la la, it's a golden. Good morning, friends. I am Asudha from UKG section. My topic is about sense organs. There are 5 sense organs. Eyes. We can see with our eyes.